Most patients wait 7 to 10 years before getting their hearing checked, usually because they don't know what to expect. Here's a quick walkthrough of your first appointment at Coates Hearing Clinic. When you first walk through our doors at check-in, you will be welcomed with a friendly face, someone that maybe you've talked to on the phone who understands you and welcomes you to the clinic. We have made sure that our clinic is set up to where you feel comfortable. Once you're checked in, you'll meet with your doctor in their office. We will discuss your symptoms, we'll discuss your lifestyle, we'll discuss how hearing loss may be affecting your daily life specifically. Then we'll move up to our soundproof booth to do the comprehensive hearing test. It is a simple and painless test, but it is very comprehensive. We want to better understand the type and degree of hearing loss that you experience, be able to relate it back to your current struggles. Once we wrap up the comprehensive hearing test, we are going to go back to the doctor's office. We're going to review your findings that day on the same day. So we spend about 60 to 90 minutes with you total throughout this first visit so that not only can we better understand you, but to make sure you understand your results and the next steps. The other important part of being a patient in our clinic is your follow-up care. So after this first visit, it's important to us to be there for you to understand that you're never on your own. We want it to be that provider that you go to for ongoing support, adjustments of hearing aids, testing in the future, so that we can make sure that you're fully taken care of. The hardest part can be taking the first step. So if you're wondering about your hearing, make sure you schedule a visit with us today.